Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a bootable USB for Windows 11 using the command prompt. In other words, how to create a UEFI bootable USB for Windows 11. The thing is that I searched on the web and mostly I found out that everyone is using almost Rufus or Rufus to create a bootable USB for Windows 11. I know that is a very great software, but you also should know how you can use the command prompt to create this one. So the very first thing is that you have to attach the USB flash drive. At least it has to be 8 GB of USB flash drive. I have already attached. It is 16 GB of flash drive here. And then the second thing is you need to download the Windows 11 ISO image. You can look here. I have the 22,000.51. It is the version, but I have not downloaded the other versions ISO, which is 22,000.65 currently, but I have updated this version, which is currently installed on this computer. But how you can get the ISO, here is how. Open a site called IntoZoom.com, and then here is a post. Download Windows 11 ISO image legally. You have to simply go there. And then the very first thing is that here is how you can download the Windows 11 ISO legally from Microsoft when the beta version is released. And there is also how you can download the Windows 11 ISO without an insider account using the uudump.net. It is a website. Basically, you can download the Windows 11 using this site also, and there is no need for you to sign in using the insider account. And there are also the other download links that I have provided here. So you can see that it is 1, 2, and then 3. This one is 22,000.51 ISO image on the Google Drive. If you click on it, it is going to download a txt file, and then you have to save it on your computer and then open it. Now you can see that you have to open. Here is the download link. Here is the Windows 11 ISO Pro. You have to simply copy this and then open it in a new browser and then click paste, and now you can just simply click on the download and then just go ahead and download this thing on your computer. Okay, this is only the Pro version. For this, a 4 GB USB flash drive will also do, but these two are different thing. Here you can see that these are basically the full version. There is Windows 11 Home, Pro, Enterprise, Education. Every version is included into this section. Here is the 22,000.51 and here is the 22,000.65. But I think it has an issue that these are basically taken from an Iranian links. So these are not basically available in all the regions, especially I think in the USA if you are from there. So if you just simply click on it, and it's going to download it inside your computer. So it is 3 parts. Here you can see that it is 20,551 part 1. In other words, so part 1, part 2, and then part 3. The same thing goes for the second one. Then you have to simply put them in one folder and right click and then extract it. So basically, if you know how to read Persian, this is the site basically that those links are taken from. So soft98.ir, and here is the uh, download link for Windows 11 20,000.65. So you can see that part 1, part 2, and then part 3. So this is how you can get the Windows 11 ISO image. Now to the creating bootable USB using the command prompt. Okay, simply click on the start menu, or you can just simply open the run dialog box and type their disk part and then press enter. Yes, and now you can see that we have launched the disk utility, or disk part, sorry. Here we have the very first command. We need to find out that how many disks are attached to this computer. So here you can see that there are 2 disks available. Here is the USB flash drive, and it is basically the SSD available in this computer. Okay, we have to select the USB flash drive. You can simply type select, or then select disk 1, or you can also type SEL disk 1. Basically it will be the short form of disk 1. Now you can see that it is selected. The other thing is that we need to clean this partition. At the moment you can see that it is bootable with the Zorin OS, which is an alternative to the Windows and Windows 11 and macOS Monterey. So we need to clean, so simply type clean, and now we have to convert it to GPT. Now you can see that at the moment this computer is booted using the GPT. When I type clean, it simply converted the disk into GPT. However, if you want to create an MBR, just simply type convert MBR. It will be a legacy boot. Now you can see that it is converted into MBR, but I am not looking to create an MBR. In other words, a legacy boot. So again, I'm going to type simply convert GPT and then press enter. Now it is converted to the GPT format. The rest of the command is simply easy. There is not a very hard thing. So simply you have to create a partition primary. Create partition primary. And now that is done, we need to format the disk. Format fs equal to ntfs quick, and then press enter. Now you have to simply type active if you are creating an MBR. However, in some cases, if you see that the drive is not assigned a label, you can see that it is labeled E. In that case, you have to simply type assign, and it's going to assign a letter to it. Now you can see that from E it's changed to F. So this is how you can create. But how? And finally you have to type exit. Do not forget that command. And now it's time for you to copy all the files from the Windows 11 ISO image to the USB. So I am going to open the Windows 11 ISO image that is located into the software OS and 22,000.51. Open it with Windows Explorer. Okay, now simply you have to copy them, and now here you have to paste them. So basically this is how you can create a GPT bootable USB in Windows 11. So let me know what your thoughts are. Is it working for you or not? I'll meet you in the next video. So have a nice time and good day and goodbye. Do not forget to subscribe IntoGuide YouTube channel.